Thanks for tuning in. Um, I had started and everything was going well, and then my arm accidentally hit the stop button. So we're starting fresh. That thumbnail you see, that's what it used to look like. I got that one off. This was a viewer submitted unit, and it's going to prove to be a fun one, I think. So far, it's been fun already for me. And yeah, let's dig in here. So we got the port off, or connector, I should say. We got the battery connector off. Let's go ahead and get this old solder off, get some new solder on, and then we can go ahead and tin that connector and get that on along with the jumper wire. So like I said, I have a trick with the jumper wire I'm going to try. With this particular repair, it's a very tricky repair. Let's see what we can do. I think that's good enough. Alright, so our main area of interest as far as restoring this connection goes, going to be right there. There we go. So that little connection you see right there, that dot, that's the one. And then there we go for that. Alright, so I'm going to tin the connector and attach the jumper and see where it gets us. Alright, so I've got it tinned. I just need to attach the jumper and we can move forward. Alright, so let's get our jumper wire. It's enameled jumper wire, which means it has a coating on it. So we only want to expose the ends that are going to be making connections. So we're going to cook this in because this is going to be connecting to there. Alright, let's see if we can get this. I'm going to be a little creative here and I'm going to try to use this to hold that for me so it doesn't stick when I go to pull away. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, I got some random hair in the way. Alright. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to add some flux to it. I'm thinking. I thought we had it. See how it keeps sticking? It's the most difficult thing. I think I finally got it. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so we gotta hope that sticks on there. Stay. Alright, it could get loud. Might want to turn down the audio. And then 3. And then 2. And then 1. Alright. Let's see where that gets us. Alright, y'all. So now we gotta attach this other end. Let's see if it works or not. Really hope it works out. And I'm gonna switch tips real quick. camera's all shaky. I think I got it. Sweet. Alright, that's the final outcome. Everything's good. I'm gonna test it. It's a bit hard to capture one-handed, but it's not only working, but we're fast